Okay, so I'm over on a website that I'm working on currently. In fact, this website is going to be featured in a new video that I've got coming up soon in terms of how I made it. Let me just show you it actually. It's nearly finished. I'm doing it for a client, but I thought I'd record it at the same time. It's using the fabulous X theme, which uses comes with Revolution Slider, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this slide here, which is on Revolution Slider, and then I'm going to add another one too. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here's Slider Revolution. Version 5, it's got a different layout to before, as I mentioned. And here's my first slide, so I'm just going to click edit. What I want to do is just work on the text for a second. So here's your main editing kind of area. You've got, I've set a background image, I did that in here, just click change image. If you want to add new stuff, you've got this add layer here, so text, images, whatnot, and then you can just drag and drop them as where you like them. So I need to change this text. I'm changing it to we pack it, you bake it. Let's change that. It's lowercase actually. We pack it, you bake it. There we go. And I want to change the font, and I want to get rid of this background color. So to do that, to do the font, just go up here, and then you can. Oh no, this one here where it says Open Sans. That's where your font is, and the font I want is a Google font, and it's called, where is it? Gloria, Alleluia. Because we wanted a nice kind of handwritten font going on. So that's what we've got. So the next thing I want to do is just remove the background. So hopefully you'll be able to see the text on top. Let's have a look. So if you click this little down arrow, you get the advanced styles, and in there is background. I can just change that to clear. Like that. It says it's transparent, but it doesn't look like it. Let's save and have a look at the site. There we go. Now, I think I want that a little bit bigger, so let's go back and adjust the font size. So I'm going to go back to font, and then I'm going to put this up to, I don't know, let's try 90. That might be too big. Save. Often this preview is not always accurate, as you can see, so it's often best just to check it on the front of the site. Ooh, that looks quite good. I think if I centre it and then put the button in the centre as well, that'll look quite good. And then actually what the client wants to do is make some of this a slightly different colour, so I'll do that too. So let's centre it, as I just said. So let's go back, and what you can do to get things in position correctly, if you go up here, you can go layer align centre. That'll make it centre. And the same with this. Let's put that centre. So that's all nicely lined up. Did I say the client wants me to change the color of the text so that it matches their branding. So if we go to color here, if I just get the color code and paste that in, there we go. Let's save that. Now that brown's not very clear, unfortunately, so maybe if I add some sort of shadow or glow, that might help. So let's do that. So to add a bit of shadow to bring that text off the page a bit, I'm going to go to Advanced CSS and Layer. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of CSS. It's a simple text shadow. Then you add the size, which 2 pixels should be fine, and then the color. Just going to go for white. Click Save. There we go, and it's added a nice shadow, so that makes it a bit easier to read. Another thing I need to do with some branding, my client likes these bits green, sorry, so to do that, if I double click on here, so I need to add a little bit of code just to add this green as my client likes. So I'm just going to do a span tag, so span style equals color, and then I'm going to paste in the green, and then the close speech, and then that. And then add the span. It's only the it that we want. In fact, we don't just want the it, we want the K as well. We just move this. So it's whatever is in between the two spans is what's going to take effect. So like that, and also the K. This is very techy and, and probably unnecessary for most of you, so you can just skip past this. I just want to make this K here again like that, and like that. Don't ask. As you can see, it says kit. It's quite clever. It's branding and all that stuff. So there we go. Let's go back and refresh. That looks good. I just want to move that button down a bit. I think it's a little bit too close to the text. So back in here, grab hold of the button. So you can either drag it, or there's the actual precise coordinates of where it is up there if you want to be very precise. I'm going to move that down, and then I'm going to just center it again because I moved it to the left, I think, a bit there. There we go. Let's have a look and refresh. There we go. So next thing, I'm going to add a second slide. So to do that, I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to go to duplicate. I'm going to take what I've already got because it's very similar. Go on to slide 2 to edit it. Let's click the little pencil. I need to change the image and change the text basically. So let's click change image and upload a new one. Here it is, slider 2. The image is the same size as the image used in the first one. There we go. And I just need to change this text. This one doesn't have any colours. And it's simply ... let them all eat cake. Just like that. And again, I want to make sure that's centered. I think it is. That's fine. Click the tick. Click save. Now, if we go back to the home page, hopefully we've got 2 sliders going on, or 2 slides. Maybe not. Let me just check the slider settings. So if we go in here and slider settings, I think I could see the problem. Is that slide turned on? No, it's not. So let's tick this little tick up here. Oh, I think it could be because the slider is set to be a hero thing or whatever. So I think I need to change that to standard slider. Hero scene's good for when you've got just the one slide. So now let's have a look. There's the first one. Nope, let's go back. I probably need to turn it on. That's probably what it is. Let's go into the slider settings, just double check everything is okay in here. So, standard slider and all the widths and everything are fine. General settings. These all look fine. Turn on navigation, maybe that will help. Let's see. Shouldn't do it. Should just go through anyway. Let's. Oh, it is. It's working anyway. God, I was just being impatient. And it's not let them eat cake. There's a typo there. But I can fix that. Anyway, that comes to the end of this video. I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.